Cheerful welcome, children. In this session, we are going to see the recap of the story and we are going to do the book activity in our English Little Thinker. Kitty's Wonderful Day. Kitty's Wonderful Day. Kitty's. Kitty's WONDERFUL. Wonderful. DAY. Day. Kitty's wonderful day. Kitty rolls on the grass and plays with her ball. The sun is yellow. The day is warm. I am going to read the same lines one more time. Kitty rolls on the grass and plays with her ball. The sun is yellow. The day is warm. Here the words yellow and warm are the describing words because it describes the noun. It describes the noun word sun and day. So these are adjectives. The ants are busy. The clouds are fluffy. What a beautiful day to play outside. The ants are busy. The clouds are fluffy. What a beautiful day to play outside. Kitty stretches on the mat. It rains outside. Kitty stretches on the mat. It rains outside. The clothes are wet. The shoes are muddy. But the flowers look happy. The clothes are wet. The shoes are muddy. But the flowers look happy. And the air is cool. What a lovely day. There is a rainbow too. And the air is cool. What a lovely day. There is a rainbow too. Next page. Kitty curls up on her bed and looks at the sky. The sun has gone away for the night. Kitty curls up on her bed and looks at the sky. The sun has gone away for the night. The sky is dark and the moon is white. The sky is dark and the moon is white. The stars are shining pretty and bright. The stars are shining pretty and bright. Now we are going to do this activity 12.3 in our English Little Thinker. Number the pictures 1 to 6 in the order in which they appear in the storybook. The first image has been numbered for you. Write a sentence describing each picture. I will read it one more time. Number the pictures 1 to 6 in the order in which they appear in the storybook. Here 6 pictures are given. We have to number the picture in order in which they appear in the storybook. The first image has been numbered for us for our better understanding. Then we have to write a describing sentence also for each picture. This is what given in the topic. This is the first picture. So it is numbered as number 1. This is the first picture. It is already numbered. So we can give the describing sentence alone for this picture. Okay, see the kitty. What kitty is doing there? Yes, the kitty is playing. The kitty is playing with the blue ball. Here you can write your own answer, or else you can write the answers which we have given. Shall we see the answers now? Yes. Kitty rolls on the grass. Kitty rolls on the grass. If you want, you can write this answer, or else you can write your own answers also. Kitty rolls on the grass. You can describe in your own way. Shall we find which is the second picture now? Which will be the second picture? You can do this activity with the help of your storybook. While doing this activity, you can take your storybook and you can identify the answers easily. Yes, which is the second picture? Shall we find? Have you got it? Very good, children. Yes, very good. This is the second picture. Who is there? Head alone hidden. Yes. Who is that? Yes, very good, children. Your answers are correct. That is Kitty. Kitty is sitting on the grass and watching the ants, how they are going one after one by carrying its food. Okay, we have numbered the picture. Then we have to write the describing sentence also for this picture. Shall we write? Okay. The ants are busy. The ants are busy. This is the describing sentence here. If you want, you can write your own answers also. The ants are busy. So we have completed second picture till the second picture. Now we are going to find third one. Which is the third one? Search in your storybook and tell which is the third one. Yes, very good. We found it. This is the third picture. What Kitty is doing there? Yes, it stretches on the purple mat. Shall we see the describing sentence here? Yes, Kitty stretches on the mat. Kitty stretches on the mat. Now, fourth one. This is the fourth picture. What they are doing? What they are doing in the picture? Yes, a boy and girl are jumping on the muddy water and enjoying the cool air. Shall we see the answer? Yes, the clothes are wet and the shoes are muddy also there. Due to the rain, the clothes become wet. Yes, and their shoes also become muddy. So here we have given the sample answer. The clothes are wet and the shoes are muddy. Identify the fifth picture. Still we have only two pictures. So identify which is the fifth one. Yes, very good, children. This is the fifth picture. What they are doing there? Yes, Kitty is sitting on the wall and watching the rainbow. With them, a boy and girl also watching the lovely rainbow. Shall we see the answers now? The air is cool. You can write, you can describe any one thing which is given in the picture, and you can write the describing sentence here. We have given the answer. The air is cool. You can write your own answers also. Now Still we have only one picture. Already you have found it, yes? This is the sixth one because only this picture remains. So this is the sixth picture. Let us see the describing sentence. Kitty curls upon her bed. Kitty curls upon her bed. Okay students, now I will read the answers one more time in the correct order. Kitty rolls on the grass. The ants are busy. Kitty stretches on the mat. The clothes are wet and the shoes are muddy. The air is cool. Kitty curls upon her bed. These are the answers which we have given here. You can think in your own way and you can write your own answers also. So with that we have completed this activity also. Students, you can also complete this activity in your English Little Thinker. Thank you children. Thank you to everyone.